Hello everyone. Today we will discuss some examples based on the third property. We know that what is the third property means fourth property here is this one. Laplace transform of f of t divided by t is equal to integration from s to infinity f bar of s ds. That means if the given function is of the form f of t divided by t, then we have to use this formula to find this property to find the Laplace transform of that function. Means first f bar of s is Laplace transform of f of t, means f bar of s is equal to Laplace transform of f of t. First we have to find the Laplace transform of this f of t, that is f bar of s. Then we have to integrate and the limits from s to infinity. This is the property. These two are same. Therefore this is first property, second property, this is third one. Third one it is. We have some examples here. We have 4 examples. Solution for the first one. This is for first one. See here, first example is 1 minus e raised to minus at divided by t. See, the question is of the form f of t divided by t. We have to find the Laplace transform of this. That means the given function is of the form f of t divided by t. We have the procedure here. Let f of t, here f of t divided by t means f of t will be 1 minus e raised to minus at. Then f bar of s, which is equal to Laplace transform of f of t, is equal to, we know that Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s minus Laplace transform of e raised to minus at is 1 divided by s plus a. Now we have the properties Laplace transform of f of t divided by t is equal to integration from s to infinity f bar of s ds. Now we have to substitute here. Our given f of t is 1 minus e raised to minus at divided by t. Integration from s to infinity f bar of s is 1 by s minus 1 by s plus a into ds, not dx, it is ds. Okay, next we have to integrate this one. Therefore Laplace transform of 1 minus e raised to minus at divided by t is equal to, here integration of 1 by s is log s minus integration of 1 by s plus a is log s plus a. Here limits from s to infinity. Here first we have to apply the upper limit. Here I will take limit s changes to infinity. This is before that, recall the result. Log a minus log b is log of a by b. So we have to use here, this is limit log of s divided by s plus a. If you write like this, it can be easy to solve. Here we have to first limit, here we are applying first limit minus upper limit, here minus lower limit is log of, here s changes to s only, it will be s divided by s plus a. Otherwise you can write first starting only, this is log of s divided by s plus a, limits from s to infinity. After that you have to write like this. Here I am taking directly, this is log of s by s plus a, limits from s to infinity. Now we have to solve this one. See here, when we apply upper limit here, s changes to infinity. Infinity by infinity is infinity. Then infinity plus anything is also infinity. Therefore infinity by infinity, here it is log of infinity we will get. So we have to avoid that result. So to get easier solution, take s from this denominator term, we get s divided by s into 1 plus a by s, like this. Like this we have to write limit s tends to infinity, where log of s divided by, from the denominator term I am taking s common. It will be 1 plus a by s minus log of s by s plus a as it is. Here s get cancelled, remaining is 1 divided by 1 plus a by s. When we apply the limit here, we get 1 plus a by infinity. Anything by infinity is 0. Therefore 1 by 1 it will be. We get log 1. After applying limits, we get log 1 minus log of s divided by s plus a. We know that log 1 value is 0. It will be minus log of s divided by s plus a. Here it is minus. This is Laplace transform of 1 minus e raised to at divided by t. Hence, Laplace transform of 1 minus e raised to minus at divided by t is equal to, we have to write here in a positive term, log of, to write in a positive term, this term will be changed, s plus a divided by s. That means we have to multiply with negative sign. We get log of s plus a divided by s. Otherwise, simplify this one. See here. This is minus of log s minus log, this is s plus a. Here we have negative sign. It will be minus log s plus log s plus a, which is implies log of s plus a minus log s. It will be like this. We have to multiply this negative sign to this term. We get log of s plus a minus log s. It can be written as log of s plus a divided by s. Therefore, Laplace transform of given function is log of s plus a divided by s. Next one is 2 sine